Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Caravelle Executive. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The Caravelle also comes with a 7-speed DSG Automatic gearbox. This example is finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey and features LED headlamps with LED DRLs across the front of the vehicle. There is also a colour coordinated front bumper, complete with front parking sensors, as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the Caravelle sits on the 17-inch Race2 alloy wheels finished in a silver colour and coming in a multi-spoke design. To the rear of the vehicle, there is a tailgate with a heated rear window, as well as some rear parking sensors. Taking a look now behind the tailgate and into the load area or boot space of the vehicle, there is a fair and ample amount of storage space to the rear. This can be increased by pushing the rear passenger bench forward. Some additional creature comforts on the vehicle include a power-operated tailgate, as well as twin power sliding doors. Taking a look now into the rear passenger area, there is a 3-seater passenger bench and 2 singular seats that have a swivel function. All the seats in the vehicle are finished in a full Nappa leather interior trim in a titanium black colour. Up front in the driver's cab or cockpit area, there is 2 more of the comfortable seats with 2 armrests apiece, as well as plenty of leg space. The van comes with some features such as an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system that includes App Connect as well as navigation. There is also 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning and a few USB-C and 12-volt outlets for charging those smart devices. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel as well as a digital cockpit system, allowing for a more unique and customizable driving experience.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.